زناره
نه دست هم که
اگه داشته اون چیز راپال داره سونگ و اینو نه؟
راپال داره این پول
آها گربه ماهی
همش هم خسر هجوماتش فکر همه ایش فقط فکر بچه ما چی
همه میگرم آخ آن شدو نکن وای وای وای
هم بیایی برداشتن هم هست اصلی شورونه
یه بود که اومیم سر چشمه و چشمه دیم راو اوه
دست
way of climbing the mountain. There is a spring, a nice spring, and we are going to take some water and going to gain some wild honey. Abu Talib is going to gain some wild honey and is going to going down a very high rock such as this. It is very dangerous, but he tried to gain some wild honey to cure some diseases.
مستقیمی بریم
نه بابو
orada hiç kendine blendeş.
ابو برینی من
برا
بیا برو
Dörde şuna bu taşı dördü mene ibaret parası bak.
من نیست هم درختی یکی برا بالا
خب
Tayniyuma بالا. Tayniyuma بالا. Dom سرش.
نه نه
کمک تو بام بده
Ama روشنش بکنم اینا.
نه بیا کمه بچه بیا کمه
Pa کوی شکم نیست پای او؟
ها خود خوش
مرا.
ها
تنابه بو وسی. دای دلا تنابه بوری نورو یلا شبه.
ها من چی به اوزو
یلا تنابه بو او.
کیسه باید نه باید چه چونه بوی مگه ببینم
یا انزور نزنیم بکشین شو باید باید برم مهارش داشته بود.
کورش بیاد
داشته بود نیست بسیار نه کورش.
ها مرات برو بابا
آفرین. حالا یواش. دیکن. تبراولو.
ابو تاشا بریم ببینیم
بذار که تین نسور.
نیره با نیره بس نمیاد کار نکنی ابو
یواش صف. دایی تو یواش بکش بوری. بگیرمش. که مرا کار نیا بوده.
سیم محافظت خوبه ببین شروع یک بوزی بیا وزیر یک متیم
وزیر تاثیر اینه.
گریمش سر خفت چو مزیتیات
تیکه بگه فعلا بس
همون
تیکه بس
Today Abu Talib is going to do another way to gain some wild honey. It is a hard way to going up to the colony, and you should be careful about some thing like biting bees and
کپی نبوده کپی نبوده
it was hard for him to going down from the top of the rock, and he decided to go up the rock.
لو هم قبل بتراشمش گونه
Abu Talib is going to make a nail and to fasten his belt.
کدش برم چریمو کورا بالا بالا
او اون بالا بزنی بهتره
بالا تکا ایتنو
بزن منمو چو
به امام حسینی خیلی بالا یه چه ده ذره دست بالا
بابا ولش کنه همینه که تجربته بشکنش دش دش
چو چنه تکوانی ها وچنه رای چری بعد تبره هم
بابا قصه
نمیو چون کدن اشکال
خب تموم شد
چی میگی توره
معنی گیری
زیرش
سعی خدمت دستی ها یه هم بده روزا وقتی تو بازی
تو میگی
سعی
هدين زلو هدين زلو
حكي
Oh my God, a lot of honeybee are attacking Abu Talib and they're biting him. Oh my God. Be careful, Abu Talib. If you want to gain the wild honey, the most natural, honey in the world, you should endure biting the honeybees. Oh my God. Abu Talib is enduring the biting of the honeybees, and a lot of honeybees are biting him. Abu Talib, be careful, it is very hard because most of the honeybees attack him and defend their colony. Today Abu Talib and his friend are in another mountain, and they try to gain wild honey from another colony. It is very hard because the honeybees attack him and bite him a lot. The rock is very high and he couldn't go down from the top, and he decided to go up the rock. It is a very hard situation. Oh my God, a lot of honeybee attack Abu Talib. Be careful, Abu Talib. Abu Talib is making natural smoke to Abu Talib is using some natural smoke to disperse the honeybee and to oblige them to leave the colony. But they attack him and bite him a lot. But Abu Talib is an experienced man, then it's a strong man. He's a strong man and can conquer this problem. Abu Talib, be careful, be careful. They are biting him a lot. Oh my God, it's a very hard work. They use natural smoke to disperse the honeybees. Now Abu Talib is taking the honey in his dish, and he tried to disperse the wild honey, and he try to disperse the honey. They bite him, and but he try to do his work as more as possible. Some of the wild honey are going to bite me, but I should remove them, and this make shaking the camera. Ah, mashallah, dai. گرمش دایی دست در نکنه. ماشاءالله ماشاءالله. خدا برکت بده. خدا برکت بده. خدا برکت بده. احتیاط کو بابا. It's a very hard work because the honeybee try to defend their colony, and it is very hard work. They bite Abu Talib a lot. It's a very hard work, and the honeybee try to defend their colony, and Abu Talib try to work. Abu Talib has succeed to gain some wild honey. Although most of the honeybees have bite him, but he try to gain the honey because it's very delicious, and it is used to cure some diseases. Abu Talib has finished his work, and he is going down, and he must be careful about his place because he couldn't go down, and he go down the rock, and he tried to open the rope, and to unfasten the rope, and open the colony, open the whole of the colony, and unfasten the rope. It's very hard work, and very dangerous because the tree that he used is not suitable for this, and he couldn't bring the ladders because it was far from the village. He is coming down the woods, and you must be careful about coming down the woods, and you should unfasten the ropes. Now the work is finished and they are collecting the rope and they are going to leave the colony. Abu Talib has distributed some material to help the honeybee to work more for the next year and